What if I told you some plants can cruise through a whole month of you not paying attention and still look fabulous? Sounds sus, right? But it's real. These green legends don't just survive your chaos, they thrive on it. Meet 18 nearly unkillable houseplants that laugh at missed watering days, dim corners, or "oh no, I forgot you existed" moments. Number 1. Snake plant. Practically immortal and unapologetically stylish. Those upright sword-like leaves look sculptural while quietly filtering your air. Forget to water for weeks, it shrugs and keeps posing. Bright light to low light, it's cool either way. Number 2. ZZ plant. The desert camel of houseplants. Thick rhizomes store water, so it tolerates drought and low light like a champ. Dust it, water occasionally, and prepare to feel wildly competent with minimal effort. Number 3. Aloe vera. Handsome, helpful, and hard to upset. Loves bright light, despises soggy soil, and forgives long gaps between drinks. Bonus, that soothing gel is basically a tiny first aid kit growing on your windowsill. Number 4. Pothos or devil's ivy. The MVP of neglect. Trails, climbs, roots in water or soil, and keeps looking lush even when your calendar gets messy. Snip and propagate for free plant confetti all over your home. Number 5. Philodendron. Chill by nature, dramatic by design. Heart-shaped leaves, easygoing temperament, and a talent for thriving in low light. Give it something to climb on or let it cascade. Either way, it's forgiving and gorgeous. Number 6. Cactus. The official mascot of benign neglect. Sun, drainage, and near-zero watering, done. It rewards you with sculptural forms and the occasional surprise bloom. Overwatering is the only real villain here. Number 7. Chinese evergreen or aglaonema. Colorful, patient, and slow to demand anything. Handles low light and skipped watering like a pro. Its patterned foliage brightens dim corners without a diva attitude. Number 8. Ponytail palm. Not a palm, but definitely a vibe. The bulbous trunk hoards water for long stretches, while the fountain of leaves screams tropical vacation. Sun, space, and sporadic drinks keep it smiling. Number 9. Coleus. A colorful riot that's easier than it looks. Thrives in bright, indirect light or partial shade and only asks for an occasional trim to stay bushy. Water when dry, it'll forgive the odd miss. Number 10. Spider plant. Classic for a reason. Arches of green and white leaves add motion, and when you forget it, it makes babies out of spite. Adorable, easy-to-root plantlets you can share or trail. Number 11. Cast iron plant. Aspidistra. Nearly indestructible, low light temperature swings, stale air, whatever. It keeps trucking with glossy leaves and minimal drama. Perfect for chronic plant ghosters. Number 12. Wandering dude. Tradescantia zebrina. Fast, forgiving, and fabulously striped. Looks best in hanging baskets, where it tumbles in purple-green waves. Let it dry a bit, water, and it's back to flourishing. Number 13. Chinese money plant or Pilea peperomides. Playful pancake round leaves on slender stems, tolerates forgetful watering in medium light, then makes little pups so you can multiply your luck and your planters. Number 14. Crown of thorns, Euphorbia milli. Tough, sun-loving, and surprisingly floriferous on minimal care. Bright bracts pop year-round if you keep it on the dry side. Caution, thorns are sharp and sap is irritating. Handle with care. Number 15. English ivy. Elegant draper or climber that tolerates shade and infrequent watering. Let it trail from shelves or trellis it for a classic look. A light trim keeps it tidy, otherwise it minds its own business. Number 16. Fishbone cactus, Epiphyllum anguilliger. Zigzag stems that look like living art. Prefers bright indirect light and periodic drying out. Low maintenance with high conversation starter potential. Your guests will ask. Number 17. Kalanchoe. A cheerful succulent that throws long-lasting clusters of blooms. Sun-loving, drought-tolerant, and eager to reward minimal effort with maximum color. Water deeply, then ignore. Number 18. Rubber plant or Ficus elastica. Bold, glossy, and forgiving. Skips a watering? Fine. Wants bright indirect light, but tolerates less. Given time, it graduates from statement plant to petite indoor tree. The low-effort success plan? Light. Most of these prefer bright indirect light. But snake ZZ and cast iron tolerate low light without sulking. Water. When in doubt, wait. Dry top inch or more for succulents, cacti before watering again. Drainage. Pots with holes always. Soggy roots equals sad endings. Dusting. A quick leaf wipe boosts photosynthesis and makes everything look magazine ready. Feeding, optional. A light occasional feed in spring and summer is plenty for most. So, which hardy survivor is moving in first? If your plants usually perish from too much love or too little, these 18 are the perfect partners in crime. Tap subscribe and like for more low-stress plant wins, and drop your most "I forgot to water for a month" success story in the comments. Your secret's safe with us and with these unbothered beauties.